Huge thank you to MGA Entertainment for sending me all of the new Pui Pui Molcars. I unboxed the plushies in my other videos, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Fuzmols. This is the display that will be in the stores, and it is showing off the DJ Molcar. On the side is just some cool artwork, as well as the back. There is a website, though, that you can go check out that I will put on screen now. This side of the box are all of the different Pui Pui Molcars you can collect. We have the normal characters from the show and some exclusives. The tops and the bottoms of the containers can come off and they will be used later. And here are all of the Molcar Fuzmols that you can collect. Each Fuzmol comes with a yellow piece that will help to make the display later on. The first Molcar I got was the Sushi Molcar. The Sushi Molcar is flocked, except for the sushi that's on top of his head. That is a regular plastic. The containers also open up into a little road that you can play with, and it has their name on it. Now to put together the display. You push the yellow plastic through the bottom of the container, take the top of the container, and there's a slide notch for you to put it in, and then there is a little peg that you can put your Molcar on. Now you have a perfect Pui Pui Molcar Fuzmol display. Our next Pui Pui Molcar Fuzmol is Zombie Shiromu, and I love this one. He is all flocked all over, and instead of having the black eyes, he has some white ones. Next Fuzmol is Choco, and she is one of my favorites and one of the main characters. You can also get plushie versions of her if you so desire. Our next Fuzmol is the Police Molcar Fuzmol, and now he has red eyes to match his siren, unlike the black eyes of the others also. The next Fuzmol is DJ Molcar. He is purple and he has headphones on and two gigantic stereos so that he could be the best DJ Molcar, duh. The next is Potato. Potato is another one of the main Molcars that you can also buy some plushies of. Up next is Treasure Hunter Molcar. Now, he's got different textures going on, a little hat, and his little booty has some gold on it. Our next Molcar is Abby, another of the main characters, and you can also buy some plushies of her. The next Molcar is Teddy, another main character, and I love him so much. His stuffed animals are so soft. And finally, our last little Molcar Fuzmol is Shiromu. He is also one of the main characters, and you can get some plushies of him too. I would love to thank MGA Entertainment again for sending me all of the new Pui Pui Molcars. Here are all of the Fuzmols out of their boxes, and you can also go watch me unbox all of the Pui Pui Molcar plushies. I've already unboxed the medium and the large ones. So now I would like to wrap up by showing you my favorites. We have Choco. I love her flowers in her hair. She's so cute. Next, of course, is the Sushi. Sushi is my favorite food in the world, and he's so cute. And we have DJ. My Nana really liked DJ, so he gets some points. And of course, I am in love with the zombie very, very much. Literally so cool. My favorite. And last favorite is the police. I really love yellow, so I'm a little biased, but he is so cool, and I love that his eyes are red.